So this is a review of this little new gadget here that I got called Drillblock. It's made by Milescraft, and it really only does two purposes. It allows you to drill holes perpendicular 90 degrees in a wall, so it stays 90, or it allows you to drill holes on an edge of an object or a pipe. So how this works, it's made out of this hard plastic, and then these metal inserts here of varying degrees of holes. So it goes from 1/8, 3/16, quarter inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2. And it has some rubber feet here, so it keeps it from sliding around. And what it allows you to do is, let's say you have a wall, let's pretend this is the wall, and you want to drill 90 degrees into it. You want to make sure your hole stays 90 degrees. You put this up against it, and then when you put your drill in it, it'll make sure that it'll go 90. I won't bother to show that. It seems pretty simple. Now, where this is really interesting is it allows you, with these notches here, you can see, it allows you to line it up on a board here, so we can get that in camera, so that you can drill a hole on an edge. Now, I don't know how often that happens for you guys, but when you do need it, this will allow you to do that. So what you do is you hold it up against the edge, then you take your drill and you put it in the hole, and it allows you to drill a hole right on the edge. Pretty neat. That's about all that there is to it. Now, what else you can do though with it is something, a round object, because it has this triangle section, these little notches, it allows you to cut in on a pipe too, so it doesn't move around, so you can put your drill in and then drill a hole without it skating. So that's kind of handy too. So I'll have it lined up here like that. And it allows me to drill a hole. Now if I would have drew a line and then lined it all up, I could have put it exactly where I wanted, but anyways, for the purposes of this video, that's pretty good. So that's the Milescraft Drillblock. So that's pretty much it. Now it does have also these markings here, I should mention, that you can line up on a grid, same with here, so that you can get the center of the hole on whatever you're trying to drill. So if I drew a line here and a line here, I can line it up. Maybe I should do that. So what I can do here is I can do something like this. And then I can line it up. So I have it lined up with this notch here, and then I'll line it up right here because I'm using a 1/4 inch bit. And then when I go to drill, there, it's right in the center. So that's really handy too. So, all right, that's the Milescraft Drillblock.